Good morning, students. Today's class topic is applications of surfactants. In yesterday class, discussing about what is surfactant and their structure and functions of surfactants, HLB scale and their determination. In this today's class, discussing about applications of surfactants. Surfactants are widely used in different types of medicinal applications, used as a antimicrobial agents, expectorant and cleansing agent. In coming to pharmaceutical field, there are used as a solubilizing agents, wetting agents, flocculating agents, emulsifying agents and L2s in semi-solid dosage form. Antimicrobial agents. Quaternary ammonium compounds such as cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide and benzalkonium chloride is used as a antimicrobial agents. These agents used as a disinfectants for skin, disinfectants for instruments and antibacterial agents in creams and throat lozenges. The mechanism action of surface active agents act as a antimicrobial agents can be given in following figure. Surfactants absorb at the bacterial cell surfaces. These changes permeability of cell membranes can be changed and results in loss of essential substances from the cell. It may causes death of the bacterial cell. Expectorant. In acute and chronic bronchial diseases of upper respiratory tract like bronchial asthma, TB and in these diseases, viscosity of bronchial mucus can be increases. These mucus can be dries out and causes breathing difficulty. By the addition of surfactants in the form of mist or spray form, it loosens the mucus and provides easily removal and relief from the breathing difficulty. Third one is cleansing agent. Some of the surfactants are also having detergent property, so there are used as a cleansing agents. When excessive use or repeated use of these detergents causes irritation to the skin. Detergency is the important property of surface active agents, so they are called as detergents. This detergency is most commonly used for removing of oils, dirts and greases from the solid surface. The surfactants having good wetting property to ensure good contact with the solid surface. It has ability to remove dirt in bulk of the liquids. These are the medicinal applications of surfactants. Coming to pharmaceutical applications, act as a solubilizing agents. Surface active agents have been extensively used as a solubilizing agent for a number of poorly soluble drugs like vitamins, volatile oils, hormones, phenobarbital and sulfonamides. Example, vitamin A is a oil soluble vitamin obtained from fish liver. There are unpleasant, easily palatable unpleasant taste. These can be formulated as a emulsion in the form of oil in water type by the use of surfactants. These are palatable. By the use of this type of emulsion systems or solution systems, there are resistance to oxidation. Another examples, surfactants are also used for solubilize the many disinfectant compounds like cresol and chloroxenol. Examples, Lysol. Lysol is a solution of phenol and alkali soap with water. This solubilizing disinfectant property can be obtained by alter the permeability of cell membranes. Example, solubilization of phenolic compounds like cresol, chlorocresol, chloroxenol and thymol with soap form clear solutions for using disinfectants, and also solubilized solution of iodine in non-ionic surfactants miscellaneous used for instrument sterilization. Some of the drugs are used for solubilization: steroids, water insoluble surfactant, vitamins and essential oils are solubilized by using surfactants. Some of the surfactants also act as a wetting agents. Generally, hydrophobic drugs are mixed with water. There are tend to form aggregates or flocculates or agglomerates, such as dispersions containing such type of hydrophobic drugs difficult to prepare mixing with water. So mixing with water, there are float on the surface. These properties can be overcome by prepare suspension by using surface active agents or surfactants or wetting agents. These wetting agents observed at solid and liquid interfaces and increase the affinity to hydrophobic powder drug for water to increase their wetting property. The commonly used wetting agent is aerosol OT. Flocculating agents. Some of the surfactants also act as a flocculating agents. Use of surface active agents coupled with precipitation bring about control the flocculation in suspensions. Example, sulfamerazole is a hydrophobic drugs. There are mixed with another ingredient to form a suspension. These form cake. By the addition of surfactants to these hydrophobic powders does not form hot cake due to reaction between aluminum ions with aerosol OT control the flocculation of particles in the suspension. Although the flocculated particles settle on the standing, they do not form hot cake and get easily dispersed in the vehicle on shaking. Example is aerosol OT is also used as a flocculating agent. Emulsifying agent. Some of the surfactants are also act as a emulsifying agent. There are two types of emulsifying agents: oil in water type emulsifying agents and water in oil type emulsifying agents. Generally, many synthetic or natural emulsifying agents are widely used as a emulsifying agents. There are act as by reduces the interfacial tension between two immiscible phases like oil and water phase by forming stable film between the two immiscible phases. Examples are phenes, spans, acacia and tragacanth. These are the surfactants act as a emulsifying agents in the formulation of emulsions. Some of the surfactants also act as a additives in semi-solid preparations. The release rate of drug from the semi-solid dosage forms can be changed or altered by the addition of surfactants. By the addition of surfactants to the ointments or creams, release rate can be altered. In some cases, increases the release rate by absorption of water from the surrounding and forms an emulsion at base and surrounding environmental interfaces. These results causes emulsification. These emulsification results in increase the interfacial area and releases of a medicament. In some cases, retardation of release of rate occurs from the drug due to excessive character of hydrophilic nature as adverse effects on the partitioning of medicament between the base and surrounding medias. These are the applications of surfactants used as a medicinal agents and pharmaceutical applications. In preparation of tablets and capsules, these surfactants are also act as a lubricant and glycans to reduce the interfacial tensions between the surfaces. Examples: magnesium stearate act as a lubricant in preparation of tablets. Thank you.